I said, well, fuck me dead, you told me about the others and I didn't get them, and I've got to come and fucking share them again. I said, I don't fucking think so. So I fucked her off. That's fair dinkum. So I'm not following some cunt around sharing all around. You can shove that up your ass.
How much were you charging?
Oh, I only fucking, back then it was, I suppose sharing back then was, might have been $2 a head, might not have even been that.
Yeah.
Like I was only charging fucking $4, $5 a head. You know, what the rate was.
It's gone up pretty quick since I started.
Chris Goodblake, you see. Yeah. But, yeah, I was cutting my own fucking trailer all the time. Break 4 caves and that done the job.
Yeah.
You know, kick the fuck out of you. None of that needle shit.
No. We shared a stud made white needle.